Morning.
Morning. How we doing? All right?
Yeah, how are you? Fully loaded. Alright, what are we doing?
We're rolling out.
What?
Stage. What stage? What do you practice?
Stage pro.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, so we
Stages.
practice and then race the pro stage.
Yeah.
You guys stoked?
Yeah.
Just woke up?
right now.
Just waking up a little bit?
If we went
Been
straight
jaded
into
this
racing
week.
the pro stage,
That might
I
be a
would be in a
problem.
world of hurt. That's all I gotta say.
On my back, bro.
Woke up in this beautiful establishment. Dan was gone because the generator noise had scared him off into the woods, where he then initiated a search party because they thought he was stealing stuff. What do you have to say about that, Dan?
I have yet to wake up. I'll tell you about it later. How do you guys feel about practice yesterday?
Pretty good.
These trails are fucking sweet, huh?
Sick.
Yeah, practice was awesome then.
Yo.
Banana?
Oh wow. Candy? I had like hiked back up after I saw your text to like redo this lower section.
Oh,
Mainly because it was like really fun.
Hell yeah. I ended up being like totally fine. Like I got
cool.
Andrew.
Cool.
Andrew, I got you.
Cool.
Yeah.
How I look?
You looked really good, I think.
You just say that every time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
No, you did actually look good.
And then what did I looked okay?
You look so no, I'm just kidding. You look good. Well, except that I thought you were kind of stuck behind someone. That happens.
No, it was good. It's like the same as all the other tracks in the. It's like dark and wet roots and like tight at the top, and then you like work your way into it, and it seems like the track gets drier as you go, and then you also warm up, so it's like it gets better as you go, which is nice. Yeah, and then like by the end you've almost forgotten about the wet roots at the top, and you're like, oh, this is sick, like this is great.
It's like full on dust.
Yeah, but like
Dust
pretty
rats.
grippy dust,
Yeah.
so it's nice. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, and now I gotta put these EWS stickers on my bike,
Cool.
and then I gotta put another jank sticker on.
I see you got an extra set for your second set of wheels.
Yeah, if I carry them on my back, they're saying that I can have 2 sets of
So
back.
supported.
Yeah, so I'll be racing with a set of wheels on my back.
Hell yeah.
Maybe. Stay tuned. We've got these fancy stickers here that they give us, and it's to make sure that we're running the same wheels and frame and fork for
Okay.
the whole duration of the race. You get a time penalty if you were to break a wheel and then just mechanic like swaps it for you.
Gotcha.
They don't want you doing that. They want you to be like self-supported to some extent,
Okay.
and they don't want people to be running equipment that's like really brittle or dangerous. So
Sure.
yeah, it's kind of the spirit of enduro, if
Like,
you will.
Like, don't make things too light that they'll just break.
Exactly. Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, so just slap that. I'll probably do it right by the valve. Super clean. It's also just a huge flex to leave these on your bike all season long, because it's like, you know, you just leave your number plate on all season long. Everyone thinks you're super cool. They're like, oh yeah, that guy races. Yeah, I'm sure that's what they think, right?
Number 157.
Yeah, the goal is to beat my number for placing.
Oh, there you go. That's fun. What do we got here?
Yeah, so then these are our timing chips. They give us 2 for redundancy. That's how pro this is.
Yeah.
I don't want to be messing up.
Let me see this thing.
Yeah.
Where does that go?
They go on each wrist.
Cool.
Yeah. And then
Oh, if you lose a wrist, lose an arm,
so that's pretty
still
bad.
get your
Yeah.
time.
Yeah, just you can lose up to 1 wrist.
Okay. Cool.
Give it a little spit. Clean her up.
You and Hannah have the same decal application techniques.
Perfect. I'm probably not as stoic of a person as Hannah though. So I gotta work on that.
That's true.
I think stoicism is genetic.
Yeah, if you don't have it.
You just don't have it, man.
That's fine though.
You want a
Decal
jank sticker?
application.
Hell no.
You're off the team. He's off the program.
Andrew says, I am not janky, as a matter of fact.
It's good luck.
Dialed.
Whatever. Not everyone can live that lifestyle.
Believe me, I'm not living it. You can't win it on the first stage, but you can certainly lose it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. No, that's a good mentality, I think.
Yeah, no, I'll give it a good go, but I think I'll maybe just be a little cautious in the more hectic sections.
We're trying to beat these numbers,
Yeah.
which are pretty big numbers, so hopefully we can pull that off.
155 and then you were 157.
Yep.
So are these things like little nozzles? Like
Yeah.
in, Fast and Furious
Yeah, double barrel.
type of thing?
Yeah,
Cool.
double barreled up.
Evil Factory Racing. Sussed out racing. Mega sus.
Fellas,
Hello.
how we doing?
Good, we have a pit now.
Pretty
Oh
good.
yeah. No, it's fucking sick.
Official.
The Tweed Valley Evil Bikes and Sussed Out Suspension collab tent.
I love it.
out.
Yeah. it's a spot. We don't have chairs yet. I'm thinking I'm just gonna sit on my helmet maybe.
There you go.
Get down on the table. This is the chair. This is where I take breaks. Oh,
This is reclined
how does that for
position.
your back? Put it back. Then this is how I eat food. This is the food position.
Assume the position.
Those are the only two positions we've had.
Yeah.
Grayson on his knees so far. The day is
It's very
young.
different from our nightly positions. Where
Whoa.
I'm on my knees.
It's taking a dark turn. Dan's alternative bedroom.
Yeah, okay.
About 10 feet farther away from the generator. 0 PSI is 0.00 bar.
Okay.
So whatever
Which
that
is-
conversion is.
That's what you're running?
About
Roughly,
somewhere in there.
give or take.
roughly, give or take.
Maybe that's why you're so much faster than me. Is I've been running like
Run
20 to
We're hitting the bars later.
22 PSI.
Yeah.
That's
See, there's one under our room.
Miles, how'd you feel?
Honestly, like, kind of a sack of bricks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which
I don't
is
know why.
good because
No.
then you go down
Is that
faster.
because you're a redhead?
Yes. Red bricks. I don't know why. We just didn't have a good run this morning, but
I-
that's what practice is for.
I do remember that from high school physics that heavier things fall faster.
Hey, there might be something in there, dude. You gotta be careful.
That's true.
They are.
Oh!
What'd you find there?
Dates. I thought I had watermelon candy in that pocket.
There's
Disappointment.
there's a noon tent with water and hydration tabs.
Really?
Yeah.
I like that stuff.
Sticking your hand in your
Over that way. And
Yes,
bananas.
Ooh. I do need some more bananas. I ran out
Where
of
did
them.
that come from?
My special
It's
pocket.
prison wallet.
My special pocket. That's where
Say that suspension would work better without a chain on it. And Right, on the Spanish crowd has done their fingers crossed again. It's great, and he's currently leading this one for Scotland with a time of 3 He's done. Reaching over, he's on the chase. We all got the speed of this guy. Big guy from the United States of America.
What does BCA stand for?
Brake caliper, awesome.
Well, I told Anthony this story, but I was sleeping right here.
Yeah.
As we did the night before, which was fine. It was good. It was better than the park where we camped the first night and the birds were going all night.
Yeah.
But this night they had that generator running like right next door to us, which come like 12:30, 12:45. I had not fallen asleep. Been lying there for like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Like this is not gonna I cannot have another sleepless night. So fucking grabbed my shit and took off into like the trees over there, like down below that wooden drop thing.
No.
Like just sort of at the edge of where all the RVs are, and posted up. Like okay, good to go. But then suddenly I start hearing voices and like seeing like searchlights and shit going. And as I had walked over here and then like turned my headlamp on over at the trees to like find where I was gonna post up, I definitely like freaked the security out.
Oh, really? They're secure. Oh.
Yeah. So they got these generators going because they're running spotlights or like big big lights all night, and they saw me and must have thought I was like ransacking the place or something. So then I'm like, fuck, like the last thing I need to do right now is explain like what's going on. Like I'm trying to go to sleep like ASAP.
Yeah.
Fortunately they didn't find me. I guess I don't know what that says about like the quality of the security, but
Oh, you're just a good. What do you do?
and then of course, so I'd left some of my like shit here, my like fucking chamois over there, and intended now to get it. I'm like cleaning it all up before Anthony has to come fix your guys' bikes. But of course, because I had earplugs in and like noise canceling headphones on, so of course I slept through all my alarms.
Oh my god.
So I rolled up maybe half an hour ago, like over there
trees.
in my fucking skivvies, like causing us. Yeah, no, that's been my day so far.
No,
It's good.
be a
It's
good
good.
day.
We're getting there. Looks like Anthony's getting you guys all sorted.
Yeah, boys. Got it.
Wait, so do you guys not have practice, like, because Eric and Andrew and them had to just roll out, like...
I think ours is like we're like 10 to 11 for the stage.
Okay,
And they
cool.
might have been like 9 to 10 or something like that.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's correct.